Model: 2018 Volkswagen CR30 County Route 30 Medium Wheelbase, 2.0 TDI Startline High Roof Very Low Mileage Body, White, Panel Van Mileage, 67,781 MOT. The 27th of January 2024 Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102PS EU6 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect, slightly underpowered injector number 2 needs replacing. Gearbox Perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £14,450. Click the link in